Okay, so I wanted to buy a green laser. I have a red laser, but the green laser's much clearer. They're easier to see. So I picked up this one here. It's Firecore. What's it on here? It's a Firecore. There it is. Firecore, and it's a green laser. So green lasers are typically a little more easier. They're easier to see. They're brighter, and I'm going to actually show you this. I'm going to give you a comparison to a red laser that I have. I'm not going to tell you what that one is, but so this is a green, and this one here actually comes with the laser. Comes with a target. Comes with a magnetic base. And it comes with a strap. And that's it. So I'm gonna do a comparison with this one and the red. So this one here, basically though, what it has, you turn it on, right? You get the green laser, and that's in the lock position. You can actually turn that, and when it's locked, it'll actually flash like that. You push it in the self-leveling position, and then, so that's self-leveling like that. So if you need to go on an angle, you push this down. That's the self-leveling position. That's the lock position. And you can tilt that, and it'll flash, let you know that it's not level. So if you need to, you know, if you've got a diagonal, or if you've got something that you need to have a line that's not level, you can use that. And then it's got the self leveling position. See that? Okay, so pretty straightforward, and it's got the straight, it's got the vertical, it's got the cross, and it actually goes like that, and then back to the level. So you cycle it through. You can do that also in the lock position. And it's got this light to let you know this in the lock position. And you can tilt that. And it flashes to let you know that it's not level. See? Oh, that's not level. And then, as I said, you can put it in the self-leveling position. So let's try this out and compare it to a red laser. Okay, so this is a magnetic base, and I actually just use a pole. And then I put my laser on the pole. Here, you screw it in. So I'm going to get that set up. Okay, so I got it set up on the pole here. Turn it on. And that's the level line, and it goes pretty bright all the way over there on the self-leveling. See that beeps? When it's out of level, it beeps. And it flashes quick. So it's got an audible tone to tell you that it's not level. Okay, so let's compare it to the red. So as you can see, the green is much brighter.
This is a nice laser.
Okay, so works with 3 AA batteries, which are not included.